CNC machine, presentation. CNC machine. A CNC machine is a machine that is controlled by a PC and the activity is performed by taking care of the program on it. A CNC machine works on just two subjects, which are CAD and CAM. The computer-aided design represents a computer-supported plan. This subject assists you with finding out the layout of a machine and its devices. CAM stands for computer-aided manufacturing. This subject is similar to CAD, but it deals with fabrication through CAD designs. The benefits of CNC machines. CNC machining produces little to no waste, zero defects and greater accuracy, faster and more efficient production, quicker assembly, enhanced personnel safety, reduction in energy consumption. CNC machining leads to lower production costs. Components of the CNC machine system. A CNC machining system comprises the following components: program, tape reader, mini computer, servo system, CNC machine. How do CNC machines work? The CNC machine works dependably on CAD and CAM projects and PC control. A drawing program is a computer-aided design, CAD. Also, CAD software is used to expand the usefulness of the creator, work on the nature of configuration, further develop changes through documentation, and make a data set for manufacturing. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, has two codes, G code and M code, on which each project is written and fed into the machine to perform the various tasks. For example, turning and scoring activity in a lathe machine. Uses of CNC machines. These are a few uses of CNC machines. The main use of the CNC machine is to eliminate metal at a quicker rate when compared with a conventional machine-like machine or processing machine. This is also used in manufacturing enterprises. This machine is used for programmed expulsion of metal from the workpiece, wherein another machine, like a lathe machine, milling the metal away is done physically. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.